Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very rough day for this one, although you got to give credit where credit's due. The majority of the roughness came during that first 30 minutes, which you can see right there. And that is also where the biggest amount of volume was at. But then after that, the price essentially spent the remainder of the day just quietly working its way back upwards, which has established two key levels of support going in, into tomorrow. First key level right up there at $2.38. And I'd call that the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Certainly if the price can hold above there, but the must-hold level of support down there at $2.30. Why is $2.30, a must-hold level? I'm not saying this will occur, but just to kind of more so, justify and explain why I'd use such a strong term such as must-hold. But if the price were to come down to $2.30 and then just continue on down through there, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of where the chart was at those lows. Again, going back though, not exactly a sign of true power or true strength or anything like that. I don't mean to insult your intelligence, but yeah, I'd agree. I would think that you would agree. Well, yeah, if a price goes back to where it was, that's by no means any sort of sign of strength. Whereas let's say the price does come down here a little bit, because nothing can go straight up. So if the price goes down to $2.30 and then behaves in this manner before starting to work its way back upwards, what would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low right there. And if you envision these as stair-steps, well, hey, at least now you'd still have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. So again, that's why $2.30, definitely the must-hold level. Again, staying above $2.38 would be great, but not the end of the world if the price falls below that level, because you do have $2.30, but $2.30 definitely very, very important level from the support side of things. As far as resistances are concerned, it's all about that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. So keep an eye on that as the week continues to play out. I get it, that line's way up there, but keyword being moving, so as the week plays out, that line will move itself lower and lower and get more relevant. But as of right now, given the amount of downwards pressure on this one today, it's more so about not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but going through some healthy consolidations now and starting to chip away and show some signs of progress. So we'll see what happens with it, but the week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.